In this session, we are going to learn how we can access the DB artifacts when we don't have HANA DB access. This is possible. Many a times we come across a situation where we don't have HANA DB access, but as an ABAP developer, we want to see the artifacts at the DB level. For example, if you have created some AMDB class called ZCL underscore A, and their method is something like get underscore data, then we all know that its corresponding database procedure which gets created at database layer is nothing but ZCL underscore A equals greater than sign get underscore data, and this we want to see at the DB layer. At this moment we don't have the access of HANA-DB, then how we can see? So we have very simple technique or workaround to go and see. We should have some access of the transaction like DB02 or DB04 or ST04 or DBA cockpit. So if we have the access of this transaction, any of this transaction we can use and we can go and check the procedure gets created at the DB layer. Not only procedure, but also we can access the native HANA database table with the help of SQL query, native SQL query I mean. So let me show you quickly here. If currently I'm here in this system, and I don't have the direct HANA DB access, what I will do that I will go to ST04, and here under the diagnostics, see so many things we are having, right? One procedure is there. If you want to see the procedures, all the procedures at the DB layer at different schema, we can just double click and we will be able to see all those procedures from the different database schema. See, these are the different schema. Our schema is SAP HANA DB schema, and here you can expand and you will be able to see. So this is a kind of workaround. If you want to execute your native SQL statement, we can use the SQL editor. Let's double click on the SQL editor, and for example I want to fetch some data maybe from Marcy table, so select a star from Marcy and you can click on this execute and it will get you the data from the database. So nice it is, right?